one's probably going to be a mango snap. Still on, keep coming. Steady pressure the whole time. Steady reel them in. Oh, look at that. It's like a spade fish.
Ooh,
He is pretty. Very pretty.
Yay!
right.
Oh, here, look at him.
Awesome.
He's
Hold
pretty.
it.
So
Or can you hold the thing?
Fish. You take them like this. You want your hand to be wet. You don't remove any of their slime. And I slide it down here like this. And I let them sit right there. If you do that, they usually sit there for you. If you press them and you grab the line or do it yourself, and just don't put any pressure. Turn around to your thumb.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, so let me show you again too.
You got it, girl.
He's fighting him. I don't think he's too big. He's not letting me hold. Shoot.
Ready?
Big one. I'm not touching that thing.
What is that?
That
That's a jack.
is a yellow jack.
Nice.
Come down here, Aubrey. No, come over here so your mom can take a picture.
Get away from my
Did you get a picture?
Yeah, ready? Awesome, thank you.
Aubrey, it looks like a prize pork medal that's huge.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah! Aubrey, you have caught a world record Bermuda chub. Stop right there. That is the largest Bermuda chub I have ever seen in my life.
Nice.
Chances are he's going to go to the bathroom or the kitchen. That's what they do. Oh, here, Aubrey, turn around. Look at this big Bermuda chub.
That's awesome. Yay.
I told
Yeah,
you.
and he is. That's
That
what
thing
they're.
gave up a gigantic fight.
I told you.
Yeah. Woo!
Perfect. Wow.
Is that the same one?
It's almost. It's almost the same one.
Dang, girl. Woohoo! All right.
Is that?
What's it about? Did it get off?
No, he's still on there.
Come
You
back,
got it,
come
Aubrey,
back.
you got it.
Oh, he got off.
He snapped
That was a
off.
bone.
Darn it!
Woo!
Oh, that was cute.
Nice.
Catch it first. I still caught the biggest fish.
See how silver he is?
There you go,
So
girl.
hold-
Look at.
Open this. Hold that right here.
Look at me. You got it. Woohoo! I got a bunch. Yeah. Beautiful.
First ever bonefish.
Bye-bye.
Oh, she's got a big bonefish.
Ooh, I got our lines tangled, I think.
Oh, reel yours in? They're out there.
Oh! I see him, I see him, I see him.
Oh, you are tangled.
I see him.
Oh, guess what, Aubrey? You got the shark.
No, don't go.
You got the shark I told you about.
Oh, it's like a...
Like a little hammerhead.
It's the bonnet head I was talking about.
It's the bunch.
All right, stop right there. Let me get this in. We're gonna bring him up to the boat.
You got bonefish and shark.
Woo!
We got the one shark I told you that you could handle.
That's awesome.
This is him. So lean over, but be careful because he can get you.
Awesome. Look at that pelican. That's a perfect way to end the day.
It certainly is.
Not a gigantic bonefish. Well, maybe not better. Yeah, better. Bye-bye.
Nice.